Well, federal disaster recovery crews from FEMA will be in Sioux City's Riverside neighborhood starting today. It's our top story this midday. Representatives from the federal agency will go door to door from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. over the next few days. They can help people apply for assistance as well as address immediate needs. If you're not home, they'll leave a flyer with info on how to schedule an appointment. FEMA staff carry federal photo ID and wear blue FEMA vests. It's a good idea to ask for credentials before sharing any personal information. Meanwhile, the city of Sioux City has announced some changes for flooding resources in Riverside. Starting today, Riverside Pool will be a hot shower facility for residents impacted by flooding. Showers will be offered each day from 1 to 9 p.m. and the showers will be free and shampoo and body wash are available. You just have to bring your own towel. Sioux City also announced no one will be able to dump flood debris at Goldie Park after tomorrow at 2 p.m. The roll-off containers there will be removed and waste will not be allowed in the parking lot. The city says roll-off containers will still be available on Fairbanks Street, Cavalier Way and River Drive until Monday at 3. The Streets Division will help with curbside cleanup on Monday as well. And elsewhere, the Salvation Army has announced they will provide a mobile feeding service in Riverside. Salvation Army will have a food truck in the neighborhood to give out free lunches to those impacted by the floods. Those lunches will be offered until Monday, and then they'll assess the needs of the area afterward.